Hello, welcome to the RLAARLO workshop. This video is detailed tutorial for RLAARLO SBK10. The SBK10 includes a detachable rear wing. You can install it directly after finding the rear wing mounting screws and fixed washers in the accessory package. The finished installation will look as shown in this video. The SBK10 comes with an upgraded front bumper. Using the corresponding parts and screws found in the accessory package, align them with the screws hole and you can install it directly. The finished installation will look as shown in the video. Removing the car body. First, pull out the retainer R-clip from the front body post. Then slide the body shell forward to easily remove it. Install the battery. This is the battery compartment. Place the battery in the position shown in the video. Secure the battery tightly with the battery strip. Connect the power cable. The SBK10 also includes a long battery box, which can be easily disassembled and swapped out as needed. How to install the large battery box? First, remove the original box. Unscrew the bolts at the bottom of the chassis that secure the battery box, then leave the box out. Second, relocate the ESC. Slide the ESC backward, remove the screws connecting the ESC to the mount. Third, adjust the position, move the ESC further back along the chassis and reinstall the screws using the specific holes shown in the video. Four, install the large box. Take the large battery box from your accessory pack and snap it into the chassis slots. 5. Secure everything. Reinstall the screws from the battery box as shown in the video to complete the installation. The T-Rex remote control supports AA batteries, 1A650 batteries, and 2S LiPo battery. We can install 4 AA batteries, install them according to the positive and negative pole indicator. Alternative, remove the battery compartment covers and install 1A650 battery according to the positive and negative pole indicator. After installing the battery, press the power button. If the cooling fan starts rotating, the battery is installed correctly. Important power sequence. Turn on the remote control first, then turn on the vehicle. Turn off the vehicle power first, then turn off the remote controller. When retach the body shell, first, align and secure the shell. Use the rear slot before reinstalling the retaining R-clip on the front body post. Install the body shell. Secure the entire vehicle body onto a safe stand beforehand. Pull the remote control trigger backward with your index finger. The vehicle moves forward. Push the trigger forward. The first push is brake and the second push is reverse. Rotate the steering wheel. Control the left and right steering. Those two parts are AUX channel. Player can explore the function independently. Open the cover. The left knob adjusts the throttle level. The right knob adjusts the steering dual rate. The up and down button are for the throttle trim. The left and right button are for the steering trim. Trim adjustment ensure the vehicle can drive straight and set the throttle neutral point. The SBK10 does not include a light system or a gyroscope system. The switches on the remote control are unused. Channel reversing. The channel reverse switch are used to set the normal and reverse direction of the channel by toggling the switch. The instruction manual included in the package can be consulted at any time. Come with plenty of spare parts and decor. How to use the voltage telemetry wire. First, use a 2.5 mm hex screwdriver to open the receiver box. Insert the voltage telemetry cable as shown in the diagram. Connect the red wire of the cable to the red wire of the battery balance plug. Connect the black wire to the black. This step is for detecting battery voltage. If the battery voltage is low, the remote control will issue the low voltage alarm. If the car speed obviously decreases, the battery charge is insufficient and need to charging. As shown in the video, connect the battery balance plug to the charging port. Then connect the charger to the USB charging block. A pulsing green line indicators that charging is in progress. A full charge typically takes 3 to 4 hours. The indicator line turns to solid green when fully charged. Safely notice, batteries and charging equipment should be kept away from flammable and explosive material and properly stored in a cool, dry place. Please pay attention to the electric safety. Thank you for watching today's RLAARLO workshop. We hope to see you again.